Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be how to post a video to YouTube. It's going to be simple, short, and easy, but I just figured might as well make a tutorial on it just in case some of you don't know how. Alright you guys, first thing you gotta do is head over to youtube.com and then head over to your channel. And then once you're at your channel, there is actually a way of uploading a video right away, and that is this plus button right here. But how I like to do it is head over to manage videos, which is going to bring up your YouTube Studio Creator page. And then from here, if you go up to this create button, click on it, you go to upload videos. And then from here, you can select the file video you want to upload to YouTube. So go ahead and click on this blue button. This should bring up your videos. For today, I'm just going to pick an old tutorial video here. All right, and then just kind of briefly, this is the description. This is where you upload your thumbnail. You can say yes or no if it's made for kids, and then, tags, all that sort of stuff, which I'll go more in depth on another video. Today is just uploading. Some issues with uploading with YouTube. Sometimes it can get stuck in HD or SD processing. And what I kind of mean by that, and I'll kind of show you. So while it's processing right here, there'll be times, so this is a 3-minute video and it says here 36 minutes left, right? But there's going to be times where you try to upload a video and it is stuck on HD or SD processing. I'm saying it's probably going to be on it for, at least a day. If that's the case, then what you need to do is go down here and click on send feedback. This page over here will open up. You'll want to capture screenshot, have it selected on this tab, click on this here, and then click share. And then in the describe your feedback, what you're going to want to put in here is the title of the video, and then just simply state that it is stuck on HD or SD processing. And then once you have something in there, just make sure you go down to the bottom here and click send. All right, you guys, well, that is it for the video. I know it's pretty short and sweet, but YouTube does make it relatively easy to upload videos to their site. If you guys do have any additional questions though, please feel free to comment down below and I will make sure to answer those. And then also, if you have any suggestions or a tutorial that you want to see me do, please let me know down in the comments also. And then if you did like the video, please consider leaving a thumbs up and then subscribing to the channel. After all, it is free and it would mean a lot to me. So thank you guys, and thanks for stopping by.